In this video, you'll learn how to add a TXT record in Hostinger using hPanel. This is a common step when you're verifying your domain for services like email providers, website platforms, or other online tools that need to confirm you own your domain. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along even if you're not very familiar with DNS settings. First, sign in to your Hostinger account and open hPanel. This is the main control panel where you manage your hosting, domains, and other settings. Once you're in hPanel, look toward the top or main navigation area and find the tab labeled Domains. This is where all the domains connected to your Hostinger account are listed. Go ahead and click on the Domains tab. On the Domains page, you'll see a list of domains you own or manage. Find the domain where you want to add the TXT record. On the right side of that domains row, you should see a button or link that says Manage. Click Manage next to your domain. This will open the settings page specifically for that domain. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar with different options related to your domain management. Look for the option called DNS Unnamed Servers. This is where you can control how your domain connects to different services on the internet. Click on DNS Unnamed Servers to open those settings. Once you're in the DNS name servers section, make sure you are on the DNS records tab. Sometimes there are multiple tabs such as DNS records and name servers, so double check that you are on DNS records. This is the area where you can view and edit the individual records that tell your domain what to do, such as where your website is hosted or how your email is handled. Now you're ready to add the TXT record itself. Somewhere on this page, you should see a form or fields where you can add a new record. You'll typically see drop-downs or input boxes labeled type, name, and target, and sometimes TTL as well. For type, open the drop-down menu and choose TXT. This tells Hostinger that you are creating a TXT record, which is a type of DNS record that usually holds verification codes or text data. Next, in the name field, enter the host or subdomain value you were given. Sometimes this might be the main domain represented by the @ symbol, or it might be something more specific like a verification prefix. Then, in the target field, paste or type the exact TXT value provided by the service you are setting up. This could look like a long string of letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end, because even a small typo can cause the verification to fail. When everything looks correct, click the button that says Add Record. Once you do this, the new TXT record will be saved and added to your domain's DNS zone. Keep in mind that DNS changes are not always instant. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours for the new TXT record to fully propagate across the internet. If you're verifying your domain with another service, wait a bit and then go back to that service and click their verify or check button. And that's it. You've successfully added a TXT record in Hostinger using hPanel.